Little Owl Kitchen Time. For this recipe, you will need 1½ cups of flour, 1/3 cups of coconut flakes, 1/3 cups of melted butter, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 3 bananas. Take your flour and pour it into a medium-sized bowl. Next, add your baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Mix until everything's well combined and set it aside. Peel the bananas, add them to the bowl, and mash them. Add your egg, butter, vanilla and cinnamon, coconut flakes, and finally sugar. Mix until everything is well combined. Take your flour mixture from before and add it to the bowl. Mix on a low speed until everything is well combined. Line a muffin tin and evenly distribute the batter. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Let them cool and enjoy.